Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sylvia Styles. If you're seeing this face for the first time, hi, you're most welcome. If you are a comeback subscriber, thank you for sticking here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple, cute cornrow braids hairstyle. So I've had my hair in African threading after my wash day. So this is how I stretch my hair without any heat. So I went ahead and applied Blue Magic Indian hemp in my hair and then went ahead to detangle. Need your hair very well detangled before cornrowing. Yes, so why do I low-key want to rock my natural hair so bad? I mean, can you blame me? Look at this fineness. So I'm parting my hair, sectioning into two sections. I'm going to be doing 3 braids on each side. Yes. So let's skip one section away and start one section. So I'm going to be doing a zigzag lines as you are seeing. So yes, I went ahead and parted my hair off camera. I'm going to be using old Brazilian wool plus my hair wax. So I'm just applying the La Fresh hair wax on my hair, brush it in, and then go ahead and cornrow. So first I section some small piece in the front and then start braiding. After I continue braiding like a normal braid, but this time round we are braiding on the scalp. So I go ahead and feed in little by little until I get the size of the cornrow that I want. I have detailed tutorials on how to cornrow your own hair, on how to feed in cornrows. Please check them out. As you feed in, the size of the cornrows will depend on how big your extension is. So bigger extensions yield bigger cornrows, while smaller extensions yield smaller cornrows. So feed in depending on how big you want your cornrows. Yeah, this is my first cornrow. This is how it looks. Yes, I'm going to be doing this to the rest of my hair. Enjoy the video and please do not forget to hit that subscription button. I'm done braiding. Finally. I hope you can see how neat my cornrows look. Yes, my cornrows look very neat. So I'm just trimming off the ends, and I'm also adding some hair growth oil to prevent the itching, and then my ORS wrap and say hair moss. So the hair moss helps to lay down the stubborn fly away hair. Yes, I'm also laying the edges with the moss. So I'm going to tie with a satin scarf and then let it marinate as I do my makeup. So this is the final look. Yeah, let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Would you try it? Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Do not forget to comment. Do not forget to share. Yes, some spray for the scent and the extra shine. And yes, that is it for the day. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.